Compression for snares. To simulate a snare drum being hit harder, you can add a compressor with a slow attack and fast release. The more you compress a sound, the more punch you'll gain. So we've got a snare drum here, and we've got a compressor with quite a slow attack and a very fast release. We've got quite a high level of compression here as well. As I pull the threshold down, applying more compression to my snare, it's going to sound like it's being struck harder and you're going to get more punch. Let's have a quick listen. And that was a quick video tip on compression for snares. So we were wondering, what type of processing do you usually use if you need to add punch to a sound? Do you head straight to your compressor, or are there other types of effects, such as transient shapers, that you go to? Please share any of your hints, tips with us below in the comments. Thanks for watching.